Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a shape in Google Slides on your PC. It's pretty simple, but yeah, knowing exactly where to click makes it way faster. First, open your presentation and click on the shape you want to change. You can select any rectangle, circle, or custom shape you've added. Next, look up at the toolbar and find the paint bucket icon. That's your fill color option. Click on it and you'll see a color palette pop up. Now pick the color you like from the palette. If you don't see the exact shade, click on Custom and adjust it to whatever you want. There's a lot of flexibility here. Once you select the color, it's automatically applied to your shape. Just click somewhere else on the slide to see the final look. Easy, right? And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly change the color of any shape in Google Slides on your PC. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video and, subscribe for more quick tips.